Freedom Immersive exhibition is a collection of international artists that are working with technology and storytelling to tell new personal stories. Some highlights are Asad J. Malik's Terminal 3, using HoloLens, so you will act as the interrogator and choose through multiple choice what it's like to interrogate someone.
Can I see your passport?
We're also bringing Gabo Aurora's The Last Goodbye, which follows the story of Pinchas Gutta as he goes back what will be the last time to where he lost his parents and his sister in a concentration camp. You follow side by side with him as you explore the concentration camp. It's a really powerful piece of work. Another highlight is Future Aleppo by Alex Pearson and Mohammed Katesh, which tells a story of a 13-year-old boy that has lost very much his city, a city that he's had to leave because of it being completely bombshelled. And he has created this amazing 2-meter by 2-meter paper model. Sitting alongside that, we've got a virtual reality element to Future Aleppo, which allows you to explore the city with Mohammed as he tells you how, as an architect, he would like to change Aleppo in the future. Another piece which I think is also fantastic is Freedom 360. It looks at 5 stories from Wales, refugees that have come to Wales and made Wales their home. I'm hoping that these stories will be a really powerful complement to our main stage production. Some of the stories that we're telling are quite powerful and poignant, so it makes sense that we really showcase this to as many people as possible.